YouTube, what's up? Get ready. It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with another J Talks Crypto. You know what time it is, guys. Time for some Bitcoin. It's time for some Toshi. It's time to hit that subscribe button. I also gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Just talking about cryptocurrency today. Don't buy nothing, okay? So you guys can see Bitcoin coming in at a 108. Starting to really take off. And again, we just talked about in the last video. I was just saying this 108 zone, and here we are, like already, like, wow, interesting. Is this a confirmed breakout or is this going to be a fake out? Again, it's Monday. We talked about what happens on these Mondays sometimes, a lot of volatility, you know, very interesting to see, right? We do have our inflation report coming up this week. So, again, a lot of volatility, but interesting to see. I mean, Bitcoin is not looking so bad. Let's pull up some of these more smaller indicators, right? And then we're going to talk about some Toshi because I know y'all want to hear about some Toshi. But look at our one day, guys. Absolutely taking off on the one day with Bitcoin. Interesting. But again, fake outs usually early in the week. This is weird. It's weird. Is it legitimate, or are we going to create a shoulder here and start breaking down? That's what I want to know. A lot of volatility right now, right? Interesting. Bitcoin looking, as always, unpredictable, right? Look at this. Test in the 4 hour, literally right now. Are we going to see a breakup with Bitcoin, or again, is this thing going to start dropping down? Needs to go above, like, probably about 108.5, yeah? Yep, looks like that would be a break if we can get above that. Interesting. What a day. What a day for Bitcoin. What a day for the world. Look at this, starting to break out now on the 3 as well. You guys could see past 2 hours also looking pretty good for Bitcoin. But can it hold? Is it creating some kind of a wedge here? Is this going to start breaking back down? Or is this going to turn up again, breaking above that 108.5 range and starting to send? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. You know, these markets are super speculative. You guys could see we're getting close to that resistance, though. Starting to round out this pattern. But again, can Bitcoin pump out of this, right? Was this our bottom down here? Talked about the fact that Bitcoin might go as low as 100K. I think we went as low as 101 and drop all the way down to 100K, but 101, pretty decent. I mean, maybe that was the test that we needed, or maybe we need to see more of a test, right? Hard to say. Always future unknown, right? Let's check out some Toshi coin because I know y'all like Toshi, and that's what you came here for. Let's talk about it, guys. We're gonna talk about Toshi. So you guys can see Toshi coming in at 2.21 million, or 222 million now. 222 million. You could see a lot of people talking now, right? People starting to talk a lot, guys. As a matter of fact, look how many people are holding Toshi now. Close to 1 million holders. You guys believe that? We're almost at 1 million holders. I told you this coin would have 1 million holders. Like literally, even in March, I think we were at like 400,000 holders, and now we're at 1 million holders. Here we are in June. Like, guys, Toshi coin, this coin might have some potential, man. I mean, the market is looking a little bit funky, but I do think meme coins, as far as meme coins are concerned, I mean, I don't know. This coin, to me, it just stands out on base. You know, some people say it's the face of base. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. But Toshi is the cat of Ben Armstrong. And it's also the name of the original Coinbase wallet. So the fact that it listed on Coinbase, in my opinion, is bullish. Maybe Binance might feel some kind of way about the Coinbase cat, right? Maybe Binance doesn't want to list the Coinbase cat for that. But you know what? There's a lot of buy orders coming in on Toshi. There's a lot of demand. So in my opinion, that they're going to probably end up listing this. Again, I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not saying that for sure they are, but I'm just saying I don't understand how they wouldn't want to do that, considering there's like a million people now holding this, and that's a million people that are talking about Toshi. And again, that this number can multiply and multiply and multiply, and you know, Binance is going to be missing out on a lot of transaction fees and stuff like that because again, people are buying Toshi, right? That is a fact. You could see the holder count is increasing even though the price is looking a little bit funky right now, right? The market's been a little bit funky, but one thing that we are seeing is that retail is starting to pick up Toshi, so it's interesting to see. Also, our 1 year still creating higher lows, still not looking too bad on Toshi. Are you bullish on it or are you bearish on it? I want to know, what do you guys think? Are you liking this Toshi price action? Or you think it's not doing too well? You guys could see 57% up this year, or is up this year 57%. But can it continue on? I don't know what that thing is doing. I don't know. As you guys can see, also still a million holders and less than 120,000 people over here on X. So it'll be crazy once those guys actually figure out how to use Twitter. You know, when they get on Twitter, then they're probably going to want to talk about Toshi, tap into the community, right? As a matter of fact, guys, if you're not yet tapped into my community, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Also, make sure that you check out the Patreon. You got to check it out. Ton of awesome stuff, tutorials. It's amazing. Check it out, guys. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.